A frank assessment by the province's chair on the challenges facing the movement. In addressing over 1,000 delegates, Mathabatha did not hold back. He warned of what he terms self-destruction by party members.
The truth we cannot run away from is that there has not been any visible improvement since the National Conference. Instead, things seem to be getting worse. Can it be that our organization is resistant to the renewal medication? Or maybe the content of our prescription is wrong? If neither of the two is correct, it then can only mean that we have been defaulting on our prescription ourselves. Whatever the case, the reality of the matter is that the ANC must be rescued from the grip of these negative tendencies.
Fearing yet another preoccupation with the election of leaders, the party's Treasurer General urged delegates to focus on policy. Recently, the Eastern Cape Province and Ekurhuleni region spent most of their conference days focusing on credentials and neglecting key policy issues.
So this provincial conference is perhaps the first to sit after the release of the discussion documents for our National Policy Conference, which we did, I think, 2 weeks ago. I am encouraged that these documents will form part of the deliberations in this conference.
Mathabatha will square it off against Dixon Masemola, who once served as the deputy chair of the province under the tenure of Castle Matale. Natasha Phiri, SABC News, Polokwane.